Hey, what's up, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Netflix app on your Amazon FireStick step by step, and I'll also explain why using a VPN like NordVPN is highly recommended for privacy and smoother streaming. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. All right, the very first thing you need to do is move over to the Find menu on your FireStick home screen and click on the search option. Once you're on the search screen, you'll see the on-screen keypad where you can search for any app available in the Amazon App Store. Since Netflix is officially available on Fire Stick, you don't need any third-party downloader apps for this process. Simply go ahead and start typing Netflix using your remote. After typing a few letters, the Netflix app will automatically appear in the search results. Go ahead and scroll down and click on it. Now select the official Netflix icon, and this will take you to the app's download page. Here you'll see the Download or Get button. Press it using your remote to begin the installation. The download usually takes a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you can go ahead and click Open. When you launch the app for the first time, Netflix will load up and take you to the sign-in screen. Unlike some free apps, Netflix requires an active subscription, so make sure you sign in with your account details. After signing in successfully, you'll be taken to the Netflix home screen where you can start browsing movies, TV shows, and Netflix originals. Now, before you start streaming, I strongly recommend using NordVPN. A VPN helps protect your online privacy and can also help improve streaming access depending on your region and network conditions. To install it, simply go back to Find Search again and type NordVPN. Download and install it the same way we installed Netflix. Once installed, open the app, sign into your NordVPN account, and connect to a fast server. Usually the recommended or nearest server works best for smooth performance. After your VPN shows connected, press the home button and relaunch Netflix. Now you can stream your favorite content more securely on your Amazon Fire TV device. Anytime you want to quickly find Netflix again, just press and hold the home button on your remote, select apps, and scroll through your app list until you see Netflix. You can also move it to the front for easier access. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and share this video with your friends who use FireStick. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.